Hello everyone, welcome to Greenboard Academy. I am instructor Jai Sukhwani. So in the previous video we have seen two properties, that is closure property and commutative property, and we have discussed many other properties but by names only. So this time we will see in detail. So let's begin. So we will see associative property for whole numbers first. Okay, let's start with addition. A plus into bracket b plus c equals to into bracket a plus b plus c. What is the difference between them? The difference is a here is outside. First brackets will be solved according to the BODMAS rule. Okay, so first of all we will solve brackets. So first b plus c will be happening here, and here a plus b will be happening. So let's start. For example, 5 plus 7 plus 0. Here a is 5, b is 7 and c is 0. So here it will be 5 plus 7 plus 0. Okay, so 5 plus 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Here 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. So here we can see addition follows the property of associative. So we can say that addition is possible. Okay, so now let's move on to the subtraction. Here we have to take care. Okay, so a minus into bracket b minus c equals to a minus b into bracket then minus c. So whether it is equal or not, let's see. Addition fulfills the property. Let's see subtraction fulfills or not. So suppose a is 9 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, so a is 9, b is 7, c is 4. We have to take same values of ABC on this side of equals to 9 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, so first we have to solve the brackets. 9 minus, what is 7 minus 4? 3. Okay, so 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so here first we will solve the brackets. 9 minus 7, 2 minus 4. Here 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So it never fulfills the property of associative. So subtraction is not following the property. Next is division. A divided by into bracket b divided by c equals to a divided by b in first bracket divided by c. Okay, so let's take an example of 7 divided by 49 divided by 7. So what will be the answer? Here a and c are same and b is 49. Here what we will do is 7 divided by 49 divided by 7. So what we will do is 7 divided by, now 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Okay, now here 7 divided by 49 is 1 upon 7. Here divide by 7, divide it by 7. Take it in multiplication. 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. I have taught you this. When a sign changes from division to multiplication, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So 7, here nothing is there, so 1. So the denominator will become numerator and the numerator will become denominator and the sign will change to multiplication. So here the answer will be 1 upon 49. So we can see clearly that division cannot follow the associative property. So cross on this. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, we have to just check the properties that will it follow or not. Okay, so now multiplication. A into bracket start b into c bracket ends equals to bracket starts a into b bracket close into c. Okay, let's see that 9 into 3 into 4 equals to 9 into 3 into 4. 9 into, first of all we will solve the brackets. 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27 into 4, 12 9s are 108, 27 4s are 108. So yes, multiplication follows the associative property. So now we have seen the whole numbers. So let's start the integers. Okay. So first of all, addition. Integers are having negative values, so check the signs properly. Minus 7 into minus 7 plus 3 plus 2 equals to minus 7 plus 3 plus 2. So first of all, we will solve the bracket. Minus 7 plus 3 plus 2, 5. Plus minus, minus. 7 minus 5, 2. Sign of a greater number is minus. Okay. So next thing is, now minus plus, minus. 7 minus 3, 4. Sign of a greater number, minus. Plus 2 here. Minus plus, minus. 4 minus 2, 2. Sign of a greater number, minus. Yes. Addition are having same answers. Okay. So we can say that addition follows the associative property. Okay. So now subtraction. 8 minus 4 minus 3 equals to 8 minus 4 minus 3. Okay. So now 8 minus 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Here 8 minus 4 is 4. Then minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can see clearly that it not follows the associative property. Now division. Same property. So now minus 6 divided by 12 divided by minus 3. Here equals to minus 6 divided by 12 divided by minus 3. I know I am going in the area of multiplication, but it will not have any problems. Okay. So don't worry about it. Okay. Minus 6 divided by, now 12 divided by minus 3. So I can write like this, 12 divided by minus 3 equals to, now minus 6 divided by 12 divided by minus 3. So now 3 4s are 12. Minus plus minus. So minus 6 divided by minus 4. Minus minus plus. 6 divided by 4 is 3 by 2. Okay. Equals to minus 6 by 12. 6 1s are 6 2s are. Minus plus minus 1 by 2. Here it is division. So we will make it multiplication. Minus 1 by 3. Whatever is in the numerator, it will go in denominator. Now 3 2s are 6. The answer is minus 1 by 6. So it not follows the associative property. Now for the multiplication. Minus 6 into 5 into 4 equal to minus 6 into 5 into 4. Okay. So minus 6. 5 4s are 20. Minus 6 into 5, that is minus 30 into 4. So 26 are 120, minus plus minus. 34s are 120, minus plus minus. So we can see that multiplication follows the associative property. Okay. So we have seen associative properties for whole numbers and integers. So let's check out for rational numbers, and it is very important. So keep in mind. So now we will see associative property of rational number. First of all, let's see addition. In addition, we will see 3 by 5 plus into bracket 4 by 7 plus 7 by 9 equals to 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7 are in brackets plus 7 by 9. Let's see both are same or not. So 3 by 5 plus into bracket 9 fours are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 9 sevens are 63. Cross multiplication. Okay, 7 threes are 21, 5 fours are 20. What I am doing is 7 threes are 21, 5 fours are 20, 7 fives are 35. I think it's the easiest method. Instead of finding an LCM, then we have to just equal the denominators. Instead of this all, what we have to do is cross multiply and multiply the denominators. It's very easy. You don't have to find the LCM and then equal the denominators and all. It's very easy. So try to do this method only. 7 by 9. Sorry. Now 3 by 5 plus 36 plus 49, 85 upon 63 equals to 21 plus 20 is 41 upon 35 plus 7 by 9. 63 into 3 is 189 plus 85 into 5 is 425 upon 63 into 5 is 315. Okay. So now 41 into 9 is 369. 35 into 7 is 35 into 9 is 315. Let's add that. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 614 upon 315. Let's see the answer is coming same or not. 9 plus 5, 14. The 4 came same. 4, 4. Let's check the other digits also first. 4 plus 6, 10. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 upon 3, 1. Sorry, I have just forgot the carry. So answer will be 614. Both are same. Okay. So we can say the addition follows the associative property. So now let's check out the subtraction. I know the whole numbers and integers are not following the associative property. So how we can say that rational numbers will follow? Let's check it out. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7, this will be in bracket, minus 1 by 9. We will keep it easy this time. Okay. So in bracket 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7, outside the bracket minus 1 by 9. Cross multiplication. In that we were doing addition of the two numerators. Here we will do subtraction of the two numerators. Let's see. 3 by 5 minus 9 2s are 18, 7 1s are 7, 9 7s are 63, 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10, 7 5s are 35, minus 1 by 9. I am just doing the cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10, 7 5s are 35. It makes it easy. Okay, let's cut it out. 3 by 5 minus 18 minus 7, 11 upon 63 equals to 21 minus 10, 11 upon 35 minus 1 by 9. 63 into 3, 189. 11 into 5, 55. 63 into 5, 315. 11 nines are 99. 35 into 1, 35. 35 nines are 315. So 189 minus 55 is 134 upon 315. 99 minus 35 is 64 upon 315. They both are not same. So we can say subtraction don't follow the associative property. As I said, in whole numbers also they are not following the associative property. Okay. So next is division. Division we will take rational numbers only, as we know. 7 divided by 49 by 16. 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 7 divided by 49 by 16. So let's see it follows or not. 1 by 3 divided by, now 2 by 7. Here there will be no cross multiplication, so don't mistake it. Okay, cross multiplication will be done in addition and subtraction only. Okay, one by 3 into 7 by 2. 16 to 1 by 3 divide by 16 2s are 32, 49 7s are, it's 343. Okay, equals to 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6, divide by 49 by 16. Now you know the rule. When it becomes multiplication, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. 7 by 6 into 16 upon 49. Okay, 343 into 1 is 343. 32 into 3 is 96. Okay, 16 sevens are 112. 49 into 6, 294. They both are not same. So division don't follow the associative property. So now last we will check multiplication. Multiplication. So 3 by 4 by 16, we will take it in bracket, into 8 by 49. Okay, equals to, into bracket, 3 by 4 into 7 by 16 into 8 by 49. So now 8 2s are 7 7s are 49. Okay, so now 1 into 1, 1 into 1, that is 1. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so here nothing will get cancelled. 7 3s are 21. 16 4s are 64 into 8 upon 49. 3 1s are 3, 14 4s are 56. Okay, the answer is 3 by 56. Now here 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. So 8 7s are 56, 3 1s are 3. So yes, multiplication follows the associative property. So we have seen the associative properties of whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. So now let's move to the next property. So the next property is role of 0, or we can say additive identity. Okay, so what is this role of 0 or additive identity? So it says that when you add any number with 0, when you add any number with 0, you get the same number. When you add any number to 0, you get the same number. Let's take an example. -5, that is an integer. When you add with 0, we get -5. 9 plus 0, you get 9 for whole number, or 3 by 5 plus 0, you get 3 by 5. So you get the same answer. So the role of 0 or additive identity says that when you add a number with 0, you get the same answer. Very simple, right? So now next property is role of 1, or we can say multiplicative identity. Means when you multiply any number, with 1, you get an answer as same number. Whether it can be for whole number, whether it can be for integers, whether it can be for rational numbers. For example, 5 into 1 is 5, it is for whole number. Okay, minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. 3 by 7 into 1 is 3 by 7. So you multiply any number with 1, you get the same answer. That only the role of 1, or we can say multiplicative identity, says. So let's move to the next property. So next property is negative of a number. Now what is this negative of a number? When you add a number with its negative identity, the answer is 0. Let's see with an example. Okay, so for example 5, when you add it with a minus 5, what will be the answer? But always 0. Next, 8, minus 8 plus minus of minus 8. So it's minus 8 plus 8, that is 0. So when you add a number with its negative identity, you get the answer 0. Or the name of this property is also known as its additive inverse. So the next property, that is reciprocal property. Now what is this reciprocal property? I know the name is very difficult, and it is very difficult to explain this in a verbal form, or we can say by speaking. So I will show you the example directly. Okay, so what it says is, when you reciprocal a number, for example 3 by 5. So what is its reciprocal? Means numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator, and when you multiply them, the answer will be 1. Let's say 5 5 cut, 3 3 cut, the answer is 1. It can be for any number, whole number, integers or rational number. Okay, so reciprocal property works for all numbers, and means it says when you multiply a number with its reciprocal, the answer will be always 1. Want to tell you one fact, that 0 is not having any reciprocal. You can't write 0 upon 0, it is not possible. So 0 is not having any reciprocal, so it can't follow this identity, or we can say its property. So the next fact is 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1. So 1 is the only number whose reciprocal is itself. The next property, the last property, is distribution of multiplication over addition. Now what is this? Let's see. First of all, we will see the formula. So you can see that a by b into bracket c by d plus e by f. So when this brackets will open, this a by b will multiply this both like this, a by b into c by d plus is there, so plus, this will multiply this and this will multiply this. A by b will multiply c by d, a by b will multiply e by f. Let's see that it is correct or not. Let's say with an example only. 3 by, I'm taking every time 3, so this time I will change it. 5 by 9 into 3 by 7 plus 4 by 5. Okay, so now first of all we will solve this. Okay, 5 by 9 into, now we will solve 5 3s are 15, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Okay, 5 by 9 into 28 plus 15, 43 upon 35. Okay, so 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so answer will be 43 upon 63. Okay, so now let's check it out that this will also have same answer, 43 upon 63. Now a by b means 5 by 9 into 3 by 7 plus 5 by 9 into 4 by 5. 3 3s are 9, 5 5 cut. 5 upon 7 3s are 21 plus 4 by 9. Cross multiplication, 9 5s are 45, 21 4s are 84 upon 21 9s are 189. 45 plus 84 is 129 upon 189. So now both are coming in the table of 3. How we can check this? We have to add the digits. There is one small trick that if you want to find that this number is divisible by 3 or not, first of all add the digits. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 comes in table of 3, then this will also come in the table of 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Yes, 18 comes in the table of 3. So 189 will come in the table of 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So both are having the same answers. So now we have completed the properties. In this video we have completed all the properties. So now I think you understood all the properties properly. If it made easy for you, then please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Welcome to mathematical tricks. So now today's trick is square of a 2-digit number. Okay, so now the numbers ending with 5, for example 35. What is the square of 35? For finding it, what you will do is 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer will be 1225. So you have to do this very long multiplication. So instead of this, I am having a short trick. What is the square of 5? 25. What comes after 3? 4. 4 3s are 12. The answer is very easy. So next, 95. Square of 95 is, square of 5 is 25. What comes after 9? 10. 10 9s are 90. The answer is 9025. Very interesting, right? But what about the numbers which are not ending with 5? For example, 64, 86, 92. What about this? So we will see a trick for that also. For example, 97 square. Square of 97. By doing a multiplication, it will take a long time. So I am having a mathematical trick for that. That is 9 7 2. Write like this. In your mind also you can do this, but right now do with a writing practice. So it will be very easy for you. What is the square of 9? 81. Okay. What is the square of 7? 49. Now 9 2s are 18. 18 7s are 126. You don't have to write anything in the last digit. The answer is 126. 6 to 1. Like this you have to write 126. Okay. So let's add it. 9 plus 0, 9. We have to add this. 6 plus 4, 10. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 1, 9. So the square for 97 is 9409. Let's take a more example. 76. square. Okay, what we have to do is do the part. Square of 7, 49. Square of 6, 36. 6 2s are 12. 12 7s are 84. You don't have to write in the last digit. 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 8, 17. 4 plus 1, 5. For the square of 76, the answer is 5776. I hope you liked the trick. And if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.